Andrew!
Pick it up and
hey, rip up that like piece of bread and stuff.
So please. Not in the water.
Not in the water. Wait, put a piece of food in your hand and make sure to eat it.
Raise it up in the air. Andy, hold your hand in the air with the piece of bread. What if I like rip it out?
This is so funny.
I'm gonna throw the bread. Yeah. Bread giant.
Wait, give me a piece of food.
Where's this thing?
Give me a piece of meat. Give me a piece of meat.
Ew, that's carrot cake. But why would you feed meat to a bird? Cannibal bird. Cannibal bird. Chicken to the bird. Oh wow.
No, I ate it.
Pepperoni is not chicken, Mom. Fair enough. No, what's that pepperoni?
What's over there?
I want to go pick them on the face.
Why would they eat my piece of bread?
Because it's yours.
Oh. Andrew, throw a piece of bread behind you.
Andy, throw it behind you.
Andrew, throw it behind you.
No,
don't rip it out. Don't rip it out. No. Oh my God, look at this guy run.
Look at that piece of bread.
Oh my God.
Look at that girl right now.
Where's the bread? Wait, where did the bread go?
Has it in their mouth. He ate it.
That fast?
He probably dropped it in the water and his hands were so scared. I wish we had more bread.
This is more entertainment than the whole entire freaking thing. Oh, the cute little bird again.
We're gonna like eat it.
No, it won't. It'll take a little now.
Chris!
Are they gonna eat that? Or no? They're just severing the food. They walk right past it.
What happens if you're no feeding the bird?